Here is a 1995 Encon Verandah Breeze that I got new in the box at a warehouse I went to. And I got, along with it, a Airmaster 56-inch that'll be going to the Fan Mower Man. And I also got a Bel Air pedestal fan for $10. And then, yeah. I have not turned this on yet, but I did turn the light on just to see if the light bulb would work. But, let's give it a try. Good air mover. Very good air mover. By the way, it's got plastic blades too. Oh yeah, I like it. Medium? Here's the light. It's marked for 0.80 amps without the light, and it's marked 0.338 with the light. And then low. Oh man, that sucks. Oh, styrofoam piece is broke. Oh yeah, I can still feel air on low and off. And it does have a canopy too. I just didn't put it on there, since this is only a temporary, and it's for only videos. But I think I have an ideal location for installing this permanently. Yes, it's the first time I will actually be installing a fan permanently. And it'll be going up north at my stepdad's and my mom's cabin, because they have a older ceiling fan there. It's a 42-inch cane. I believe it's Encon something or whatever. Almost looks like an Alaska, but with cane. And I'm going to take that down and put this up in the living room of where that fan is. Since this has got plastic blades and it's, well, it's got the closed-in motor up top. Which, if I can show you that. See? Might be a little dark. Here. And we can do updraft. Oh, here's the light. Then it's got the Encon chain. Sadly, it's not metal like it was shown on the box, but at least it's Encon. Wow, it's got torque. medium, low, off. And y'all seen the spin down time. So I'm just gonna end it here. And until next time.